They're not just big, they're monstrous. Machines so massive, so powerful, that even modern farmers stop and stare in disbelief. Built to harvest, plow, and haul on a scale beyond imagination, these giants pushed the limits of engineering and left everything else in the dust. Get ready for the 10 biggest farming machines that modern farmers still can't believe exist. Because when it comes to size and strength, these beasts don't just work the land, they own it. Number 1. Big Bud 16V747. The Big Bud 16V747 holds a mythical status in farming history, and even today, few machines can compare to its size, presence, or raw power. Built in 1977 in Montana, USA, this tractor was never meant to be a simple farm vehicle. It was engineered to be a monster capable of pulling the largest plows and cultivating thousands of acres at a time. Standing taller than a person, stretching longer than a city bus, and weighing more than 100,000 pounds when fully ballasted, the Big Bud 747 is essentially a tank disguised as a tractor. Farmers who see it in person often cannot believe that a machine of this scale actually moves across fields. Its heart is a monstrous 16-cylinder Detroit diesel engine that produces more than 1,100 horsepower, allowing it to work with 80-foot cultivators and massive tillage equipment. What amazes modern farmers the most is not just the power but the foresight of its engineering. This tractor was so ahead of its time that even with today's advanced tractors equipped with GPS systems, computer-assisted steering, and emissions technology, the Big Bud 747 still competes with top-tier modern machines in terms of field efficiency and capability. It can plow huge sections of land in a single pass, consuming fields the way a combine consumes wheat. When it returned to Montana after a restoration, farmers drove for hours just to witness it operate, and many said it looked unreal, like a mining machine accidentally placed on a farm. Even today, nearly 50 years later, it remains the largest agricultural tractor ever built, and no manufacturer has attempted to surpass it. That alone speaks volumes about its scale, engineering, and legendary status. Number 2. Claas Lexion 8900. Among modern combines, nothing comes close to the Claas Lexion 8900, a machine so large and technologically advanced that farmers often describe it as a traveling factory. With harvesting heads stretching up to 50 feet wide, it swallows fields at speeds that early farmers could never have imagined. The machine is built to operate continuously with minimal downtime, and everything inside it is designed around efficiency. Grain separation, threshing, cleaning systems, and onboard diagnostics all work together to handle enormous crop volumes without clogging or slowing down. What shocks many new users is the machine's ability to process more than 20 tons of grain per hour, something that once required entire fleets of older machinery. Inside the cab, the operator sits in what feels like the cockpit of a plane, surrounded by touchscreens, cameras, sensors, and automated controls. The combine adjusts itself in real time as crop density changes, and its AI-assisted systems can optimize the harvesting speed, rotor settings, fan levels, and even the angle of the cutting head without any manual input. For farmers coming from older machines, this feels unreal, like the combine is thinking for itself. The Lexion 8900 is also massive in physical scale. Its grain tank holds over 18,000 liters, and when fully loaded, the machine looks like a rolling mountain. The unloading auger is equally enormous, capable of emptying the tank in under 2 minutes. This machine doesn't just harvest grain, it devours entire fields, turning what used to be a full day's work into a few hours. Many farmers say they never truly understood the meaning of mega machine until they saw the Lexion 8900 working across a field, dwarfing trucks, tractors, and everything else around it. It represents the future of harvesting, bigger, faster, smarter, and more efficient than anything that existed before it. Number 3. The new Holland SP580 Smart Tracks. Silage and forage harvesting have always required powerful equipment. But the new Holland SP580 Smart Tracks is something else entirely. It's one of the largest forage harvesters ever built, capable of processing massive volumes of corn, grass, or biomass with incredible precision and speed. What sets this machine apart isn't just size, it's the combination of brute power and cutting-edge technology. With up to 900 horsepower under the hood, it can chop crops faster than trucks can carry them away. Farmers often marvel at how this machine feels more like industrial machinery than farm equipment. The front headers are massive, capable of consuming entire rows of corn at once, while the SmartTrack's tracks allow it to glide over soft soil without sinking. This is crucial for large farms, especially in wet conditions where wheeled machines would struggle. Watching it work is a spectacle. The header swallows the crop, the internal shredders pulverize it instantly, and the blower shoots the chopped material into waiting trucks with pinpoint accuracy, even while both vehicles are moving. The cab experience is equally impressive. Operators sit high above the field with a panoramic view, surrounded by screens showing real-time moisture levels, cutter settings, and engine status. The machine even adjusts chop length automatically depending on crop type and moisture, making the final product more consistent and higher quality. For farmers used to traditional forage harvesters, the SP580 looks and behaves like something out of the future. It's one of those machines that makes you stop and stare when you see it moving across the field, leaving behind perfectly processed rows of silage with unbelievable speed and efficiency. Number 4. Bourgault 113-foot air drill. Seeding large fields used to take days or even weeks, especially on massive farms in Canada, the US, and Australia. But the Bourgault 132-foot air drill changed everything. This gigantic machine is the largest air seeder in the world, stretching wider than most airplanes and covering more than 100 acres per hour under ideal conditions. When unfolded, it becomes a moving field-width planting system, spreading seed with unmatched precision across enormous areas. Farmers are often left speechless the first time they see this air drill unfold, as it transforms from a transportable machine into a sprawling spider-like implement wider than a football field. The engineering required to fold, unfold, and support such a massive piece of equipment is mind-blowing. Every section must remain perfectly level to ensure even seeding depth, and the machine uses advanced hydraulics and sensors to maintain that uniformity regardless of terrain. The machine's huge onboard tanks can carry several tons of seed and fertilizer at once, allowing long hours of operation without refilling. Its metering system is so advanced that it delivers seed with incredible accuracy, ensuring that every part of the field receives exactly the same amount. Farmers who switch to this machine say it completely transforms their planting season, reducing weeks of hard labor into a fraction of the time. And because it covers so much ground with such precision, it allows farmers to plant during small weather windows that would otherwise be impossible. Seeing the Bourgault 330-foot air drill in operation makes one thing clear: modern farming has reached a scale that would have been unimaginable even 20 years ago. It's a machine so large, so efficient, and so futuristic that many farmers still can't believe something like this actually exists. Number 5. John Deere 9900i. The John Deere 9900i is a legend in modern agriculture, especially in the world of silage and forage harvesting. With its massive 24-row headers and over 1,000 horsepower engine, it's built to dominate large-scale operations. What shocks many farmers is not just its size, but the way it uses advanced technology to deliver near-perfect crop processing at unbelievable speeds. The 9900i's kernel processor is one of the most powerful ever installed in a harvester, designed to break down every kernel with maximum efficiency. The 9900i feels less like a machine and more like a high-tech workstation on wheels. It uses John Deere's renowned iSolutions package, which includes automated steering, yield monitoring, real-time mapping, and intelligent crop flow control. The harvester can adjust its cutting length automatically based on moisture and density, ensuring premium silage quality. Watching the machine operate makes it clear that farming has entered a new technological era, one where AI and automation work side by side with colossal machinery. In performance, the machine is a beast. It can move through a field of corn at high speed, filling one truck after another in quick succession. The blower system is so powerful that it can shoot chopped material into trailers several meters away without missing a beat. Farmers often laugh in disbelief when they see how easily the 9900i handles dense, tall crops, turning them into perfectly chopped silage with virtually no slowdown. It's a machine built for the biggest farms, where efficiency and speed are everything. Number 6. Agco Challenger MT905E. The Agco Challenger MT975E is among the most powerful tractors ever put into production, delivering up to 600 horsepower and weighing over 60,000 pounds when equipped for heavy-duty work. What makes this tractor unbelievable to many farmers is its combination of raw power and advanced track technology. Unlike traditional wheeled tractors, the Challenger MT975E uses massive rubber tracks to deliver unmatched traction on soft or uneven soil. Seeing this machine in person, farmers often compare it to a military vehicle rather than a farm machine. Its height, width, and aggressive stance give it an intimidating presence. The tractor is built to pull some of the heaviest implements in the world: huge air seeders, wide cultivators, deep rippers, and large disc harrows. It does all this with ease thanks to its massive torque and precise power delivery system. Inside the cab, the operator sits in a climate-controlled environment that feels more like a luxury truck than a tractor. Everything from hydraulic settings to engine data is displayed on high-resolution monitors. The tractor's auto-steer system allows it to follow perfectly straight lines, reducing overlap and maximizing field efficiency. This level of control and comfort is something older generations of farmers could never have imagined. What impresses most people, however, is the machine's ability to keep moving no matter how tough the conditions are. Mud, hills, uneven terrain. Nothing seems to stop the Challenger MT975E. It's a machine that embodies power, innovation, and modern agriculture's unstoppable push toward bigger, more capable equipment. Number 7. Case IH Steiger Quadtrac 620. The Case IH Steiger Quadtrac 620 is one of the largest and most powerful tractors currently in production, designed for farms that span thousands of acres. What amazes farmers is its unique design: 4 independent rubber tracks that provide maximum traction and minimal soil compaction. This design allows the Quadtrac to pull some of the heaviest equipment in the farming world without losing grip or sinking. Powered by a 620 horsepower engine, the tractor delivers enormous pulling capacity. It can work with some of the biggest plows, cultivators, and seeders ever created. The articulation in the center allows it to pivot smoothly, despite its enormous size. Watching the Quadtrac turn in the field is remarkable. It's like watching a giant animal rotate gracefully on soft ground. Inside the cab, every aspect of the machine is automated or computer-assisted. GPS auto steering, implement control, field mapping, and real-time diagnostics all work together to give the operator a calm and controlled experience. Many farmers are stunned when they first sit inside the Quadtrac, not believing how comfortable and easy it is to control such a massive machine. Whether it's ripping through tough soil, climbing hills, or pulling equipment the size of buildings, the Quadtrac 620 handles it with unmatched power. It's a shining example of how modern agriculture has embraced both size and advanced engineering to make farming more efficient than ever. Number 8. Krone Big X 1180. The Krone Big X 1180 is a machine that redefines what a forage harvester can be. With a staggering 1,556 horsepower, it is the most powerful agricultural harvester in the world. Farmers often compare it to a race car in terms of responsiveness and power, but on a scale the size of a house, its massive intake system allows it to swallow entire rows of corn, grass, or biomass faster than any other machine on the market. Everything about the Big X 1180 is extreme, from its shredding capabilities to its enormous blower system that can send chopped material flying into trucks with pinpoint accuracy. The machine's 6 feed rollers and powerful chopping cylinder are engineered to process crops at incredible speed while maintaining consistent chop length. This ensures top-quality silage every time. The cab is packed with advanced technology, including touchscreen displays, automatic adjustments, crop monitoring sensors, and real-time moisture measurement. Many first-time operators are shocked at how easy it is to control such a giant machine. Despite its size, the Big X maneuvers smoothly and responds instantly to commands. Farmers who own large dairy or beef operations say the Big X 1180 is more than a machine, it's a game changer. Its ability to process massive fields quickly helps farmers stay ahead of unpredictable weather patterns and narrow harvest windows. For many, seeing the Big X in action is like witnessing the future of agricultural harvesting. Number 9. The Fendt IDEAL 10T. The Fendt IDEAL 10T is not just big, it's one of the most technologically advanced combines in existence. Its massive 790 horsepower engine powers a harvesting system designed to maximize grain quality and minimize losses. What astonishes farmers is the machine's unique rotor design, which processes grain gently and efficiently, preserving kernels and improving yields. The combine's giant grain tank holds over 17,000 liters, and the unloading system is one of the fastest in the industry. Watching the IDEAL 10T unload is a jaw-dropping sight. The stream of grain pours out like a waterfall. The machine comes equipped with advanced AI that adjusts settings automatically based on crop density, moisture, and field conditions, making it feel like the combine is thinking for itself. In the cab, the IDEAL 10T offers a quiet and luxurious workspace with panoramic visibility. Operators can monitor everything from rotor speed to grain quality using intuitive controls. The combine's tracks help distribute weight evenly, allowing it to work in wet or soft soils without sinking. Many farmers refer to the IDEAL 10T as the Rolls-Royce of combines. Its size, power, and intelligence combine into a machine that feels almost unreal, something that belongs in the future. Number 10. The John Deere DB120 Planter. The John Deere DB120 is the biggest row crop planter in the world, with an incredible 120-foot planting width and 48 rows. This machine has transformed planting seasons on large farms, allowing thousands of acres to be planted in just a few days. Farmers are often amazed at the sight of the DB120 unfolding, as its wings stretch across the landscape like a giant mechanical bird. Despite its size, the DB120 delivers incredible precision. Each of its row units is controlled electronically, with sensors ensuring the exact depth, spacing, and seed population required for maximum yield. The planter also integrates seamlessly with GPS systems, allowing perfectly straight rows without overlap. Operating the DB120 feels like controlling a massive robotic arm. The machine glides across the field, planting row after row with unbelievable accuracy. The planter's efficiency saves farmers countless hours of labor and fuel, making it one of the most transformative machines in modern agriculture. The sheer presence of the DB120 is enough to impress even the most experienced farmers. It represents the peak of planting technology and remains a symbol of how far agricultural engineering has come. These weren't just machines. They were engineering miracles that changed the face of farming forever. Even decades later, they still inspire awe with their size, strength, and the impossible jobs they made possible. Which one of these giants impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you love massive machines, powerful tractors, and farming tech that defies belief, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more unbelievable stories from the world's biggest farms. Thanks for watching, and remember, farming isn't just about hard work. It's about building the impossible.